better be. This is the first time we have vlogged since comp. Stockton comp coming up. Okay, so we're all bedazzling our stuff. Everyone say hi to the vlog. Okay, we all do. We're bedazzling our stuff. Hey guys, we're eating now. Wait. No, you're my aunt's Hey gang, so we're all bedazzling our shirts. We're sitting at the airbed. Like the sweet angel she is. I'm eating. Yeah guys. I didn't finish my shirt yet. Maddie, she's just standing there. After showering. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Bye. Hello everybody. We're gonna go to bed. We got one mattress. No one's gonna sleep on that one though because that one is deflated. We got this one. We got 3 people sleeping on this one. There's one over there. And we got the couch. And we got this. And then we got this one that me Chloe gets on. Don't mind how I look right now. Hey guys, we are getting ready. Very tiring. I know. I think we're gonna go at 9:30. Maddie's sleeping. She's dead. Anyways, we are gonna get ready and rehearse. But we'll get there 9:30. Stockton. So. Hey vlog. Did you finish makeup? Yeah, we just finished our makeup. Can you tell we have any on? Because this is natural, baby. This is a natural look. But yeah, maybe eyeshadow check. We still need to put on lipstick, but you know. Oh, what lipstick? We ain't go. What lipstick? But now we better put on our outfits and everybody better go get dressed. And I'm about to vlog downstairs. Oh yeah. Time for the vlog. Everybody say hi to my vlog. I want to look like that. So, I was just vlogging upstairs. But now, say hi to the vlog. Hi. You got issues. Look at these poofs. Oh, she's not done with it yet. Let me show you. Oh, Karina's poof. They're so big. They're so big compared to last time. They're so big. Oh, hi vlog. We're almost done with the hairs. We got a couple people left. Like 2, I think. Look at how big the poofs are. I know, so kawaii. Oh my gosh, I look like a man. And here's Debbie again. And here's Chloe. I'm not done changing yet. Most people are done changing, but I'm not. I still need to put that on. So. Guys, okay, so we got to Stockton and we don't know where everybody else is. Well, Lily here, but like, oh, I don't know blush. It looks like you have blush full color. But anyways, yeah, we're here. I don't, video? What do you want to say hi? Well, okay, well, I'm gonna go. We're waiting to take a picture, guys. Everyone's here. We just got a hat done earlier. We're gonna dance happy. Anyway, bye. Most of the people are here now. No, when I got home, when I got here, I started recording. I was like, I'm going to record when everybody gets here. But mostly everyone's here. I think we're waiting for it. And we got food. Anyways. You got issues. Hey guys, we just got done practicing. But we haven't showered in time. I look a mess. Oh my gosh, my lipstick is out. Sarah looks so tiny. She's just a baby. She's just a baby. She's just a baby.
Hey, vlog. What's up?
So, this is the, oh, sorry. This is the house. This is the grub. This is the, listen to me. You're not hearing me for real. Wait, this is the get ready with me. This is the grub. Oh, get ready with us. Grub. Maybe I'm to the right. Did my hair, and I literally felt like I was going to die. Who wants to say hi to my vlog? Not me. No, you just said hi. What are you talking about? I think the vlog is like, I don't even know how to call that. We call that. I'll be already. I'm over here yawning and shit. Yawning with her mouth wide open. Oh my gosh. Maddie, don't put this in the video, please. She's gonna post this on YouTube because we're like, what's wrong with that house? Dude, I look like a little boy. No content. We're putting glitter on her hairs now. This is how much she wants in her hair. Me when I lie. I was just on her phone not too long ago. Hey guys, we're on our way to Stockton right now. And our cows are literally hidden. They're really hidden on top of the car. My secret to confidence. So, we have to sit like this. Turn left. And let me tell you, this is a clown car right now. And then there's just her, not competing like a loser. Please don't enter the chat. I'm with my iPad right now, guys. And we just entered. Everybody say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog. And just because my phone's broke, their phone is dead. My phone is broken. Yeah, it just died on me. So now she's stupid walking around with an ugly iPad. She's gonna get robbed. We made it at Hmong New Year. It's so cold. And it's so early in the morning. Look at my makeup. I messed up my makeup. Look, there's the phone is broken. So now she's secure. Say hi to the vlog. So, yeah. Okay. Hi, vlog. We're here with Kat now. Good morning, Stockton New Year. Stockton New Year. This is going in my vlog, my Asian vlog. I'm hosting it. Welcome back to our vlog. We are two groups away. Two groups away before we perform, guys. Anyways, how we feeling? It's day 2. How we feeling? Tired as hell. We can't get a professional camera. Yeah, sorry guys. One day we will. One day. I'm nervous. Don't forget to smile.
That button you heard Lamar Glock get bored, we flip Lamar slide. Glitch right before Ari shot. I got you to leave your body lock, but you don't want to catch no Ari.
Got done dancing like a few minutes ago, actually like a lot. And we waited for the vision to come so we could get the notes. What the heck? She also did.
world is so small till it ain't. Yeah, I'm building up a wall till it break. She hate it when I call and it's late. I don't wanna keep you waiting. I hope